Our first topic is powers, are indices and roots. Let's start from index. An index is a number that tells us how many times a number or a variable has been multiplied by itself. Indices is a plural of index. An index can be a whole number, an integer, a fraction, or a decimal. For example, 6 raised to power 3 means 6 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Here 6 is a base number and 3 is called its index or exponent or power. Next is roots. Roots of a number are the inverse of its powers. For example, a square root of 49 is a number that when squared equals 49. It has two square roots, 7 and -7. Every positive number has two square roots. One is positive and the other is negative. The square root of a negative number is not real. The symbol square root is used for positive square root. For both roots we use plus minus square root. For example, positive square root of 25 equals 5 and plus minus square root of 25 equals plus minus 5. A cube root of a number that when its cube equals to the original number. For example, cube root of 27 is 3 as cube of 3 is 27. The symbol cube root is used for cube root. The cube root can be written as an index of 1 over 3. An nth root of a number that when its nth power equals the original number. If n is an even number, they behave similarly to square roots. If n is odd, they behave similarly to cube. The symbol nth root is used for nth root. The nth root can be written as an index of 1 over n. There are some laws of indices. Some important rules to deal with indices. A raised to power 1 is always equal to A. And A raised to power 0 is equal to 1. If we have two numbers with same base and they are multiplied together, then their powers will be add up. So A raised to power m times A raised to power n equals A raised to power m plus n. And A raised to power m into raised to power n will be equal to A raised to power mn. A raised to power m divided by A raised to power n will be equal to A raised to power m minus n. A raised to power 1 over n will be equal to nth root of A. And if A raised to power m over n, this will be equal to A raised to power m into raised to power 1 over n, and this is equal to nth root of A raised to power m. A raised to power negative n will be equal to 1 over A raised to power n. And A over B whole power m will be equal to A raised to power m over B raised to power m. Similarly, if A over B raised to power negative m, then it will be B over A whole raised to power m equals B raised to power m over A raised to power m. Worked example. Work out 125 over 27 raised to power negative 2 over 3. First of all, flip the fraction inside. It will be 27 over 125 and this negative power will be converted into positive. As 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3 and 125 is equal to 5 raised to power 3. So we will write it as 3 raised to power 3 over 5 raised to power 3 and its whole power is 2 over 3. Now by using the law, a raised to power m into raised to power n equals a raised to power mn. So it will be 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 and 5 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. As 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 equals 1 because 1 over 3 is a reciprocal of 3. So it will be 3 raised to power 1 times 2 and 5 raised to power 1 times 2. Now it will be 3 square over 5 square and 3 square equals 9, 5 square equals 25, so it will be 9 over 25. Examination tip is verify your answer by calculator. Put the question, which is 125 over 27, its whole power is negative 2 over 3. The answer is 9 over 25. Laws of indices only work with terms that have the same base. So something like 3 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power 5 cannot be simplified by using laws of indices. Here you have an exercise where the question number 1 is express as a single power of x raised to power 5 times x raised to power 8 over x raised to power 7. It's a 1 mark question. Use the law of indices. Question number 2 is find the value of 9 raised to power negative 1 over 2. It's a 1 mark question. Question number 3 is simplify fully. An expression is given and you have to simplify it by using law of indices. It's a 1 mark question. Question number 4. Find the exact value of 8 raised to power 2 over 3 times 49 raised to power negative 1 over 2. It's a 2 mark question. Question number 5. 3 into square root of 3 can be written in the form 3 raised to power n. Find the value of n. It's a 1 mark question.